Well, according to various budgets and requirements, we have made a list of some of the safest SUVs available in India. The first in this segment is Tata Nexon. Tata Nexon comes in multiple variants that differ per se specifications and features. Its variants are offered in 16 different options, with the engine displacement ranging from 1198 cc's to 1497 cc's. It comes with manual and automatic transmission options. The mileage for the same ranges from 17.88 to 23.97 kilometers per liter. Its pricing starts off from 7 lakh rupees onwards up to 11.8 lakh rupees. Second one in this segment is Ford Endeavor. Ford new Endeavor variants are offered in 3 different options, with the engine displacement ranging from 2198 cc's to 3198 cc's. It comes with manual and automatic transmission options. The mileage for the same ranges from 10.91 to 14.2 kilometers per liter. And its pricing starts off from 29.6 lakh rupees onwards, up to 33.3 lakh rupees. Third comes in this category is BMW X1. BMW X1 variants are offered in 6 different options, with the engine displacement ranging from 1995 cc's to 1998 cc's. It comes with manual and automatic transmission options. The mileage for the same ranges from 14 to 20.68 kilometers per liter. Its pricing starts off from 35.2 lakh rupees onwards, up to 45.7 lakh rupees. The fourth one is Land Rover Discovery Sport. Land Rover Discovery Sport variants are offered in 9 different options, with the engine displacement ranging from 1997 cc's to 1999 cc's. It comes with manual and automatic transmission options. The mileage for the same ranges from 12 to 18 kilometers per liter. Its pricing starts off from 44.7 lakh rupees onwards, up to 61.9 lakh rupees. Last, but not the least, new Range Rover Evoque. New Range Rover Evoque variants are offered in 14 different options, with the engine displacement ranging from 2993 cc's to 4999 cc's. It comes with manual and automatic transmission options. The mileage for the same ranges from 8 to 10 kilometers per liter. Its pricing starts off from 1.8 crore rupees onwards, up to 4 crore rupees.
Subscribe to our channel and get latest automobile updates.